Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, guys, and the market has been very, very slow. As if you remember, in the US, there was a holiday yesterday, June 10th, something like that. So the market was very, very, very slow. So today I'm not expecting the same. I think the market will start to give us some moves. So as you can see today, I actually started with the GBP USD. So I'm not going to waste enough time. You will see that actually as I already showed you on weekly analysis and other analysis, you will see that yes, the market is actually still on that uptrend. The market is still respecting our support area very nice, but from this area the market started to do what? The market started to go crazy high. And with this type of moves, we know very well that yes, we are actually on an uptrend. We understand that, but there is enough room for the market to do what? For the market to actually break out and to retest on this support, because the market has been flying. So we know very well that the market won't keep up with this type of trends. We know very well. You see, yes, the market pushed up because they increased the rates, but as the dollar did not increase their interest rates, but that is not going to push longer, because also USD is going to increase the rates maybe next month or in September. You see, so but what do we see? We can easily say yes, the market is actually on our support area. This is for our time frame. This is actually on the support area, so which means the market might respect this area. As you can see there, the market might respect this area and start to push the upside. But on top there, I hope you can see we also have an area that we can use as our next resistance. The market can actually respect that area or that zone of a resistance. So I'm expecting the market maybe to push up, touch this area. If not breaking out, we will see maybe the market playing around here, or maybe we might see a sell off, or the market might consolidate here. So we will be watching, guys. Actually, we can say today it seems to be like Monday, because yesterday it was a holiday. So now that everyone is going back to the market, trying to get the opportunities. But I think this week we might get some reversals. I think you saw on NASDAQ, we're starting to see that reversal, but we will see. We will see. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, if you like this type of information or content, as I send this every day, don't forget to support the channel by smashing that subscribe button or liking the channel, and then that actually helps, because it creates YouTube is going to offer these videos to other traders or other people who are looking for this type of content. So now we are on GBP JPY. Quite the same as USD JPY, GBP USD. So the market is actually pushing to the upside. The reason behind that, I will repeat, GBP actually they did increase their rates, or GBP JPY they did not increase their rates. So it means there is imbalance. The other pair is very strong, the other pair is very weak. That's why we see the market flying. So when will the market start to come back? With this type of aggressive push, if we zoom, we will see that this is actually an aggressive push. The market might actually start to reverse anytime soon, especially when we start to see this type of, let me remove this. We can easily see this type of consolidation. We see here the market is consolidating, so which means the market doesn't really have enough strength whether to push up or to push down, but we will wait for a breakout. So we can draw a resistance on top and a support on top. When the market breaks on the bottom side, we will say, okay, that's time for the market to push the lower side. We can easily see that the market won't keep up with that type of a bullish momentum. That is just how the market is. The market can still push up, but most of the time the market won't keep up with this type of bullish momentum for for a longer time. Then the market will reverse one way or another. We will see a reversal very, very soon, you see. So on top here, you can draw the resistance. If maybe the market breaks out there, we will see the market starting to push maybe to the upside, or maybe we will see the market breaking this area. Then we will expect to take those quick sell. I hope maybe you will be seeing that happening this week. So what's really happening on gold? What's really happening on gold? So on gold, the market has been playing around this support. We have a support area here. So this support has been actually here for quite some time. You know about this because I've been repeating this for quite some time. So you can easily see that the market is still actually respecting our support area. The market is actually respecting the support area. So what we see here is we can easily, let me try to zoom. We can easily see that we have areas. Let me just clear other areas. Just want to make this chart very clean. So it's supposed to be around this area. So now what's really happening is the market is just playing around this area. On top there, someone maybe can say, Kenzo, I see a horizontal resistance. Yeah, I also see that, but I also think there is something like that. But we can still focus on one thing. I can just make my chart very clean and remove maybe this. I can remove this and just make it like this. So you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually consolidating around my resistance and my support areas. So you can see that we are just playing around this zone, and sometimes you can easily lose because the market can just turn anywhere. The market can just turn anywhere, push up or push down. So the best thing that we can do is let's wait for the market to break this resistance, as we think the market is still actually on a bullish momentum. Or we can easily wait for this support area to be broken, then we can look for that sell. But for now, the market is just pushing up, pushing down. So now the market is pushing up. Later, the market might be pushing down. So we will be waiting for what? For a better breakout. From there, we can catch that and start to move with that. So I hope maybe you see that, and if you like this type of content, as I always repeat, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? I will be showing you. Let me show you something. So yeah, let me show you something, guys. For those who wants to join the team, if you want to join the team, here are our services. You can see that on our services, actually, we offer NASDAQ, US30, S&P 500, gold, USOIL, German 40, France 40, and also currency pairs. So you can see that we have a lifetime subscription for $250. 12 months is $150. $150 for 6 months is $80. Why? You can just contact me here on 073, or if you are outside South Africa, you can use this country code, then you can just talk to me, or on my description you will find the link, which is very easy. You can just click that and then it will take you straight to my WhatsApp. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. So let's continue to the market. What's really happening on US30? Remember, guys, later on we're going to go on our live session. Around 3 there, we're going to go on our live session. So what do we see here? We see that the market is doing what? The market is showing us that I'm respecting this area. But it seems like the market is now trying to push the upside. I see the market reach that resistance, trying to push lower. You can see the market touched this resistance, is trying to push lower. But when we check on the bottom, I don't know, I might be wrong, I see something there. So that might help us to make our decisions. So let's try to draw a support area going up there. So I see this point, and that point. You see that? I think they make sense. I don't know if I connect with this. Nope. I think this one, it will make sense for me. Or I will just say, let's go on 1 hour just to see things clear. Yeah, I think this makes sense. This makes sense. So I will just draw double lines. The reason behind this, I want to, if maybe it's time for us to sell, we will wait for the market to break this support area. I can see that the market did touch this zone several times. So I will just try to adjust this. And at the end of the day, let me remove these ones. They no longer matter. The market already passed that stage. So let's see. Let's see. So this is now creating a sort of a wedge structure. If we push this to the upside, you will see that now the market will start to play around this area. And if the market starts to play around this area, the market won't be creating some crazy moves. The market will be just getting slower, then but we are actually on a very important zone because this is our major resistant. And even if this is not a major support, but we are very closer to the major resistance. So anything can happen, whether the market is going to break this resistance and push to the upside, or maybe the market will actually break the support and we will think about doing what? We will think about selling. For now, it means if you have this, you will know very well that it means it's time for us to wait. Why? Because we have a very close resistance and support, so we can't buy when we are very close to resistance, and we can't sell when we are very close to the support. So it means it's time to step back and just wait for a breakout. It's still very early. Still maybe tomorrow we will see that happening, or maybe later today. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. So now we are on NASDAQ. Now we are actually on NASDAQ. We are actually on NASDAQ. Guys, you know, I did show you the prices if maybe you want to be part of the team. But for my die-hard fans who are here every time, who watch this video up to this NASDAQ, just know that, let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can still join. You can still join my this lifetime session. Lifetime signals for $99 for only people who actually watch up to this point. But if not, obviously you don't really see this. Obviously they will see the normal prices. So this is the benefit of being my for supporting this channel. That is actually a thank you. So you pay once, then you're done. These are like VIP signals. So the winning rate is actually 70 to 85%. We take some losses and we also take enough wins along the way. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? What's really happening on NASDAQ? Oh, I forget to actually tell people. If you want to learn from me and if you want this type of analysis, it's actually 149. I actually forget about my mentorship, but only few people because I can't keep up with my schedules. So if you want to learn from me, if maybe you want to create your own signals and you don't really want to depend on the signals, then you can just let me know. So on NASDAQ, we can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside and we saw the market started to fly around this area, and that was like seriously crazy. And when we check, we can easily see that the market is still actually trying to push the upside. So let's go there and see what's really happening. Let's push close. I will just do my auto and try to actually go closer there. So what's really happening here is I can easily see that the market is still trying to push the upside. So you can easily see that we are on this previous, let me just use a smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame. Let's use 1 hour. Let's use 1 hour. Let's close this thing. So what I see here is I see that the market, we had this sort of a support and it seemed like the market is breaking out there. But when we check on this previous high here, we are still on the same level. So do we call this a breakout? No, it's just an adjustment. So until the market goes below that, that is going to be a pure breakout. Then we're going to look for that quick sell. But until the market breaks, it means we are still going to look for a push to the upside. And I see another candlestick there is trying to do that. So now what we can do is to adjust the trend, or you can just leave your trend here I mean this trend here, until the market pushes up. If not, we're going to, if the market keeps pushing up, we're going to adjust this trend like this, because the market sometimes won't keep up with, I repeat this every time, won't keep up with type of steep move. So the market has to sell before continuing with that trend, with the trend. Sometimes the market, it doesn't really break out, it's just adjusting the trend, then continues with the trend again, whether it's uptrend or downtrend. So on the economic news, we don't actually have anything today. We don't actually have anything, so we just have to relax. Tomorrow is where we're going to start with some economic news. And if you like this, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.